raging waves surround my heart. Storms of life tear me apart. Yet I hear your gentle voice calling me to make the choice. All my fear and all my strife fade away in your life. Peace, be still in me. Calm my soul and set me free. In your presence I will rest. Jesus, you are my shelter, my fortress, my best. Peace, be still in me. Every doubt, every despair disappears when you are there. Your love surrounds, your grace abounds. Your voice brings silence to the sound. All my fear and all my strife fade away in your light. Peace, be still in me. Calm my soul and set me free. In your presence I will rest. Jesus, you are my shelter, my fortress, my best. Peace, be still in me. Still my heart, still my mind. In your love I will find strength to face the darkest night. Jesus, you are my life. Peace, be still in me. Calm my soul and set me free. In your presence I will rest. Jesus, you are my shelter, my fortress, my best. Peace, be still in me. Forever you are my peace. Peace, be still in me, Lord, you are my